from any continent, beyond the reach of cities and borders, lies an ocean unlike any other on Earth. Encircling Antarctica in a continuous, restless ring, the Southern Ocean is the planet's most remote and least understood body of water. It is a place of extremes, where towering waves collide with drifting ice, where winds circle the globe unhindered, and where the ocean itself plays a silent but decisive role in shaping life on Earth. For centuries, this ocean went unnamed, hidden within the edges of maps and the limits of human exploration. Yet its influence has always been immense. The Southern Ocean connects the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, binding them into a single global system. At its heart flows the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, the most powerful ocean current on the planet, often hovering just above the freezing point of saltwater. Storms rise suddenly and violently, fueled by the clash of cold polar air and warmer northern currents. Waves can grow to enormous heights, earning this region a reputation among sailors as one of the most dangerous seas on Earth. And yet, life thrives in these harsh conditions, adapted with remarkable precision to survive where few others could. Beneath the surface, the Southern Ocean is alive with motion. Nutrient-rich waters rise from the deep, feeding vast blooms of microscopic phytoplankton. These tiny organisms form the foundation of an extraordinary food web, one that supports some of the largest animals ever to exist. Antarctic krill, small shrimp-like creatures, gather in immense swarms, turning the water pink as far as the eye can see. Though small, krill are the cornerstone of this ecosystem, sustaining fish, seals, penguins, and great whales. Along the ice-covered edges of the continent, emperor penguins endure months of darkness and temperatures that can plunge below -40 degrees Celsius. They huddle together against the wind, raising their young on the frozen surface of the sea. Leopard seals patrol the ice floes with silent precision, while humpback and blue whales migrate thousands of kilometers to feed in these waters during the brief, productive summer. Each species is finely tuned to the rhythms of the Southern Ocean, dependent on its stability for survival. Beyond sustaining life, this ocean performs a vital service for the entire planet. The Southern Ocean acts as one of Earth's greatest climate regulators. It absorbs vast amounts of heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, slowing the pace of global warming. Cold, dense waters sink here, carrying carbon into the deep ocean where it can be stored for centuries. This process helps buffer the planet from the full force of human-made climate change, buying time for ecosystems and societies alike. But the balance is shifting. As the atmosphere warms, the Southern Ocean is changing. Its waters are heating, its ice is thinning, and its currents are showing signs of strain. Melting ice shelves freshen the surface waters, altering circulation patterns that have remained stable for thousands of years. As these systems weaken, the ocean's ability to absorb heat and carbon may decline, amplifying the very changes it once helped to slow. What happens in the Southern Ocean does not stay in the Southern Ocean. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities around the world. Shifts in ocean circulation can influence weather patterns far from Antarctica, affecting rainfall, storms, and temperatures across entire continents. This remote ocean is, in many ways, an early warning system for the planet. a place where the consequences of climate change appear first and most clearly. Scientists from around the world now venture into these hostile waters to understand what is changing and why. Aboard icebreakers and research vessels, they measure temperatures, track currents, and study life beneath the ice. Their work is challenging and often dangerous, but its importance cannot be overstated. In the Southern Ocean, they are reading the future of Earth's climate, written in ice, water, and wind. Despite the challenges, there is hope. International agreements protect much of Antarctica from exploitation, and efforts are underway to expand marine protected areas across the Southern Ocean. These measures aim to safeguard fragile ecosystems and preserve the ocean's ability to function as a life support system for the planet. The decisions made today will shape the fate of this ocean, and by extension, the world, for generations to come. The Southern Ocean is vast, powerful, and largely unseen. Yet its influence reaches every corner of the globe. It is a reminder that even the most remote places are deeply connected to human life. In protecting this distant ocean, we are not only preserving a wilderness at the edge of the world, we are protecting the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible.